First it was the governor. Now the perceived favorite for Texas Attorney General is under a cloud of suspicion for criminal wrongdoing. It's an issue that Republican Ken Paxton is doing his best to dodge as the campaign winds down.
GOP candidate for Texas AG and current state senator Ken Paxton is the focus of a complaint from earlier this year about violations of the Texas Securities Act.
And it was an administrative matter. It's been handled administratively. He paid a fine, and it's a done deal.
But if there's some violation that occurs, usually we're very embarrassed. We pay our fine and we move on with our lives.
Paxton says he's moved past his legal troubles and is focused solely on the election, although he knows political opponents want a narrative of possible indictment.
If he wins this election, he may very quickly find himself ineligible to be in that office.
Now, the important thing is can you trust the person who is your attorney general?
Texans for Public Justice, who are also behind the Perry indictment, filed a complaint against Paxton in September. Paxton admitted earlier this year to directing former law clients to a specific investment firm without registering as an agent, and has since paid a fine to the Securities Commission.
Mr. Paxton's actions were clearly unethical. In fact, he took a 30% commission for referring clients of his to this bad investments.
He violated the Securities Act. He's admitted violating the Securities Act, and he's subject to indictment.
State law indicates these could be criminal offenses.
The facts of what he's already admitted to, what Mr. Paxton has already admitted to, qualify him for felony indictments.
Houston, however, says this makes him the better AG candidate.
With all these allegations out there, he won't talk. He's not talking to the press. He won't debate me. He won't go and talk to the editorial boards. And what I tell everybody is, whatever it is with his criminal problems and his ethics problems, he'll defend himself now. And what does that say about whether he'll defend Texas if he is elected as Attorney General? I say he won't, and that's why people should give me strong consideration and vote for me this November.